Ever heard of S3 compatible storage? It's everywhere now. And it's not just AWS anymore. It's a way to store files in buckets using an API originally created by AWS. Upload, list, and download files, all using basic HTTP requests. Now everyone supports the S3 API, just AWS. It's the new standard. Scaleway, ovhcloud, Exascale, they all offer it, often with free tiers or better pricing. You can use S3 storage for hosting static websites, storing backups, serving media, even logging and analytics. You can deploy your front end with CI/CD straight into a public bucket, and you're live. With AWS, egress costs can hit 9 cents per gigabyte. Scaleway gives you 75 gigabyte outbound traffic free each month. Local cloud storage means better latency for EU users and GDPR compliance by design. Then use the AWS CLI, Python's Boto 3 library, or any tool that supports the S3 protocol. Just choose a provider, create a bucket, and grab your access keys. Whether it's images, app assets, or backups, S3 compatible storage just works. And the best part, you can switch providers without rewriting a single line of storage code. Using S3 outside AWS? Drop your provider in the comments. Like and follow for more real-world dev insights.